We welcome you all to Lovely Professional University. I am Rituparna from Lovely School of Architecture and Design. Okay, so let me ask you, have you ever imagined designing spaces which is way beyond than just to look beautiful, but also to save our planet? Yes, at LSAD, that's what we strive for. We built our program through sustainable development goals, climate responsive design, energy efficiency, and AI driven tools. Our classroom is just not a classroom, it's way beyond than our classroom as we provide different kind of exposure through the industry experts, practical hands-on experiments and also the gamifications. So get ready to explore, experiment and evolve. LSAD is waiting for you. So we empower you to shape smarter, greener and futuristic design. So we can't wait to have you with us at LPU. Think big, dream big at LPU.